Yeah, this is Sydney. We are in Radomia. We are going to chicken farming. Let's enjoy the ride of Sydney. मौसम कति दामी हो बादलहरु कति राम्रो देखियो भने so good. Up to 45 minutes to go. Limit is 70. The beautiful breeze is coming. You can see. Zone traffic jam lagyo set This is the petrol station where we are. He's feeling, he's my body. You work for us. His new friend, Mike. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Yeah, Koran Australian blog, yeah? Yeah. Bye. Here we can see the Rolls Royce first time in Australia. The Rolls Royce guys. They are also the bloggers. Guys, bye. This is Ninja. Only 5 minutes to reach our chicken farming. Yeah, this car is so unique. You can see the red one. Very beautiful. We are changing to this car. Two lovely red cars going here. Yeah, this is so unique car. I will show you. So unique, yeah. So we move on. We will go to. Yeah, we win the race, man. The next vintage car, you can see the vintage one. Green color, so lovely. You can see. This is the chicken farming of our company. We just arrived here and we will enjoy the chicken farming now. Don't worry, I will show you everything about the Australian chicken farming. You can see the farmland. Bad luck for us, there is no one in here. We can see no one. We can see no one. The door is locked, you can see. Okay. This is the first one, guys. He is opening the door. The door is opening now. We can see the chicken. Yeah, this is the way they produce the chicken the Australian way. Yeah. Can you say a little bit about the farming of Australia?
You're going to make sure they've got water,
Yeah.
they've got food,
Yeah.
and nice air
Yeah.
coming in, and good environment.
In good of there is huge market of chicken in Australia. Huge market of chicken in Australia.
Yeah, people.
Yeah.
And what do you call it? Just keep them comfortable
Yeah.
and happy.
Yeah.
Should be right.
Yeah.
You not keep them happy and comfortable, not good.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. This is the farm of chicken. He's closing the door only for allow us only for 2 minutes.